So friends, we all have heard those motivational stories of those bold and risk-taking entrepreneurs. Now when it comes down to the astrological chart analysis, which all are the combination which point towards high risk equivalent to high rewards? So if you have to study that, that's very simple. The factors or the pointers which you have to give attention are third house and the third lord has to be strengthened because it actually makes you courageous. After that, you will find a connection between the ninth house and the 11th house. This could be through conjunction, this could be through exchange, because ninth house is the house of the luck and 11th house is the house of the gains. Through luck, gains happen. After that, the activation of the fifth house is also important because this is the house of the creative intelligence, speculative risk, divine blessing. After that, if I were to say a strengthened sun and the Mars also becomes very important. And lastly guys, individually you have to give attention to Jupiter. If Jupiter is going to be placed in the Kendra Bhava, Trikona Bhava, like 1st, 4th, 7th, 10th or 5th or 9th house, this is also a good placement. Now comes the question that I told you about the eligibility. Now comes the question, which all are the time periods? When we talk about the time periods guys, so if you fulfill the eligibility, you have all these combinations in your natal chart. Over and above that, you enter the Rahu Mahadasha, you enter the Mars Mahadasha, or you entered the Antardasha of the 3rd Lord, 6th Lord, 10th Lord or the 11th Lord. And right at that time, Jupiter was transiting in your Kendra Bhava, or this could be Jupiter was transiting in the 2nd house, 5th house, 7th house, 9th house, 11th house. Saturn was transiting the 3rd house, 7th house or 11th house, or Rahu was transiting the Upachya Bhava, 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house, 11th house. Then I would say if a chart comes to me with all these fulfilling eligibilities and these planetary time periods which are going to be active, then I would just say one thing: take the chance, take the risk.